welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Courtney, aka Raging Curls. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a how-to / product review on curly clip-ins. So I was sent these clip-ins from Heritage1933. It is a black-owned brand, and I chose the Fro Kurls clip-ins to try. And this is in the length 18 inches because if you know, curly hair is measured from the longest where the hair is stretched. So I wanted to make sure no matter how I styled my hair, it would blend as far as the length seamlessly. So that's why I chose the 18. And this is a little postcard that came with the clip-ins. And that is the CEO, the owner of the brand, Latoya. This is a black-owned brand. This just has maintenance tips on it as far as daily maintenance, wash day, what to do with your hair at night, and it has some product recommendations on it. And I'm not going to be using any of these products because I don't have any of them. I'm just going to be using what I have. And this says, our Fro Kurls collection is made to blend with 3C to 4C natural hair, to 4A natural hair. It is soft, bouncy, lightweight, and full of well-defined springy curls. This hair can be washed, colored, styled, and heat can be safely applied. So what I'm gonna be doing is I kind of prepped my hair already because just to save time for the video. So I'm gonna be doing like a half up, half down type of style. And for my real hair, I actually have all of my hair pinned up. I did 2 flat twists in the back, and then I pinned, I took this one and wrapped it this way, and took that one and wrapped it that way. So I did that, and then I have this little section out, and I'm gonna kind of use this as leave out so you won't be able to see. I want to make sure you can't see the clips, so that's why I have this little section that I'm gonna pull down over top of the clip-ins. So let's go ahead and get started. I've never used clip-ins before, so I'm not an expert. I'm just gonna kind of wing it. So this came with 2 sets of the clip-ins, 2 8-piece sets. So it has 2 4 clip pieces, 2 3 clip pieces, 2 2 clip pieces, and 2 1 clip pieces. And then I have, like I said, 2 8-piece sets. So this is 8. I wasn't sure how many I was gonna need, so I haven't pulled out the other pack out of the bag yet. So clip-ins, like I've seen them applied before, so really it's just almost like a little barrette. So you just unclip them like that. And I'm gonna go in, I think I'm gonna go in before I clip it in. I'm gonna spritz the hair with water. And then I'm gonna be using this Mielle Organics White Peony leave-in conditioner. I wanted to use a product that was lightweight and not too heavy. I didn't wanna weigh the hair down, and I felt like a lightweight product would be better. So I'm just gonna spray the hair with the product. And that's also what I used in my hair. I used the leave-in conditioner, and I used the, I think I might go in with some of this rice water moisturizing hair milk from Mielle Organics as well. So I'm just gonna go in and it's kind of knotting up at the end, but I'm actually finger detangling it and they're coming right out. So I'm gonna go put the clips in. And this is the 4-piece clip. So let's see. Start. kind of close to my nape. And I'm just gonna go in and clip. Save time, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the clip-ins, all of them, and then I'm gonna go back in and wet the hair and style it. I'm gonna go in with, cause I used both of my 2 clip pieces from this pack. I mean my 4 clip pieces from this pack. So I'm gonna go in now with the 3 next. Take a 1-piece clip over here on the end. Trying to make sure it's tight because you do not want your hair coming out as you're walking down the street. So, okay, they're all in here pretty tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to twist it. Yeah, this hair is literally like detangling. Every time I get a knot, it's coming right out. Take a little bit of this hair milk on my hair. And I have my hair twisted, my leave out twisted. Hopefully it's enough hair that I left out, but we'll make it work if not. So this is the only amount of shedding I received, which I don't think is bad considering the fact that I chose to actually comb and brush through all of it, and pretty much style it the same way I would my natural hair. So this amount of shedding to me isn't bad at all. So I'm gonna leave this like this because I want to make sure these actually fully dry before I take them down, and then I will be back when it's dry. Okay, now my hair is dry. I know when I turned around earlier, because I didn't have a mirror in front of me when I was doing my hair, so I couldn't really see where the clip-ins looked in the back. And when I looked in the mirror, I looked all types of crazy, had that big bald spot. So I went back in and I added two clip pieces from the second pack that I hadn't opened to fill in that gap, because baby. And I did take the clip-ins out of my bun because I just didn't like the way it looked. So I'm gonna go in and just use my hair to actually make the bun. Okay, so I have my bun done, so I'm gonna go ahead and separate these twists. I'm gonna take some of this mint almond oil by Mielle Organics. So I am done taking out the twist in the back, and here are the results. Here's what the back looks like. Next time I definitely would try to leave some more leave out, but I don't think you can see the clips in the back. And here is my natural curl, and then here's the clip-ins. So it's literally like blending seamlessly. So yeah, I love these clip-ins. I do give them a thumbs up, and I'll put down in the description box where you can buy them. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.